guys, so I've got my fabfitfun for spring in this box. I believe it's spring anyway because the last one was pretty wintry. And I kind of wasn't sure that I was going to get this because I canceled my fabfitfun, but I think that it canceled after the next shipment. So I'm going to open this up and see what's in there. And I'm really kind of excited because I was a little bummed after I got my pop sugar box. I loved it. Everything was cool. I liked what was inside and everything like that. But they said that they're only going to be doing it quarterly now. So I'm excited. I didn't think I was going to get a box for a while. And so this is kind of like a just surprise. It's not my birthday, but it's kind of like my birthday. So let's see. Oops, wrong side. No wonder that wasn't opening so easily. So these are they're just fun to open. Where is it? My goodness. There it is. So this is the box, and it does look pretty springy with plants and stuff like that. And it comes with like a little newsletter and stuff. Kind of tells you, I think, what's inside. You can unbox your way to Singapore. It looks like they're having a contest. That's kind of cool. So, yeah, it tells you what's in the box. Here, I'm going to show it to you. And that's kind of just like an overview that they give you in there. And the next thing is $50 off Cook Up, which I stopped doing those because we're eating low carb now. And so we're getting a lot of things like pastas that we wouldn't eat. And I was trying to find things to substitute and stuff like that. So anyways, this is the next layer that we've got here. Keep going the wrong way. Sorry if that's loud. Oh, and this just looks fun. I love these boxes. Now I'm like sad if I cancel that. But it's got all this stuff inside I can't wait for. One of the things I got in my last one I really loved. So we'll start here. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. And that's not my language. This is a lightweight oil-free moisturizer, shine-free hydration for blemish-prone skin. Not exactly my skin type, but I think I might know somebody I can give that to. Or I would sometimes just use that myself anyway, especially like if it's like a day when I might be golfing, if there has sunscreen in it and stuff like that. These are really cute earrings. I like those. You can see. And Ish Lip Statement Palette. Ooh, I haven't gotten a lip palette yet. I got an eye palette, I got highlighters and contour and eyeshadows in one. And I got this, some bath products that I really like. Ooh, that's got a lot of fun colors to play with. Let's see what's next. So, Rachel Pally. I don't know what this is. Hold on, I might need to rearrange what I've got going on here. It's like, what is this? So, where's a Rachel Pally Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Sahara, or Paradise. And so these are the three choices of what they can come in right here. The clutches. And mine was beige, so I'm just assuming that's the dust wrap. Their dust bag, whatever you call it. So, ta-da, and then the big reveal. Actually, mine is kind of neutral. That's cool. Actually, I have some things that this will go with great. I've gotten from Stitch Fix. This is actually, where is it? This one here is kind of like that green color, army green, and I've got a floral shirt that has that color in it, and I have a jacket, and I have some jeans. So this will go with quite a few of my things that I have, and the big thing is it's big enough to fit my EpiPen. As long as I can fit, as long as I can fit my EpiPen and my like phone wallet. I have like, you know, the Michael Kors one that opens and it has your credit cards on one side and your phone on the other. So that's awesome. I'm gonna leave this over here. I actually really like that one. That's probably my favorite one. Oh, I like the pink one too, pink and mint green. But anyway, fun. So what is this? It looks like a nail polish. It's called Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. and it's professional lacquer. So this is the package, and this is the actual product. I usually do SNS on my nails, but you never know. That might come in handy. And this looks like kind of a trial size of Dove exfoliating body polish. It's always nice to try some new exfoliating products. I got this really, really good one. And I'm not sure if it was my box of style that I got for Christmas from Rachel Zoe, or if it was not fabfitfun. It might have been either that one or my Pop Sugar. I think it was my Pop Sugar, but it's really, well, I'm not sure actually. So Manhattan Beach. This looks like it's a fragrance. Let's see. Let me consult my notes. Anderson Lily. Oh, it's a candle, I bet. Yes, it's a candle. So it's called Manhattan Beach, which I used to live really close to Manhattan Beach in Los Angeles. So I like Manhattan Beach. And it's got a cool rose gold. And it smells nice. I really like that. That's cool. Got a lot of candles lately. Burn, baby, burn. So this one is body butter, and this looks really nice. It says slather on right after showering, so you can lock in the moisture. So that's good. Let's see how this one smells. Well, I think it's got this protective thing. Oh, they get me every time. That's one thing I have no shortage of is product because all these boxes plus what I buy just on my own. It smells really good. I love that. Love, love, love. Gosh, there's a lot in here. I have this in the wrong spot. Oh, Free People Understated Leather Starry-Eyed Travel Eye Mask. I love eye masks, and I'm wondering if this one, I have extensions on my eyelashes, and so I'm hoping that it's kind of bent to, so that it doesn't squish my lashes. I'll tell you. I mean, I can still use it, I just have to be a lot more careful. So you can kind of see how it goes. It's not really a full-on indent, but it's kind of squishy. Okay. Well, that's not going to work right now because I have to adjust it. But anyway, it is really cute. That's for sure. What else is in here? I think this is the last of it. This looks a little crazy. Let's see. Massage roller. Serious relief. Well, that's good because I do get shoulder injuries and stuff like that. Physique 57 massage roller. This massage roller does wonders for sore, achy muscles, improves flexibility, breaks up scar tissue, and keep tender muscles at bay. Just 5 to 10 minutes with this tool will have your body feeling all the feels. Hello. Tip. Throw this in your carry-on bag when traveling to help relieve sore muscles on the go. So that's cute. Okay. Well, it's not really cute, but let's see. I'm like doing my leg. It does feel good. So anyway, that is my fabfitfun, and it looks like there's some really cute stuff in here that I can't wait to use and try. And for spring to use this clutch. Clutches are just cool. They're just so chic. I love clutches. And it looks like this one is one of those like where you kind of go in from the top, and then there's a pocket in here, which I know you can't see. But it's perfect because, you know, you can put like a lip gloss or something in the side pocket so you can just know where it is whenever you need it. So anyway, I hope that you enjoyed. Leave a comment below if you got a fabfitfun. What did you like? What didn't you like? Did you get a different color than me? Do you like your color better than mine? Anything like that. If you've tried some of the products, let me know what you thought. You can give this a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel. Add a couple notes because I got this adjusted so it fits on my head, and it's vegan leather. I don't know if I read that properly initially, but it's vegan leather, and I can kind of like mold it a little over my eyes. It's like a gel insert that's in there, so it's not squishing my eyelashes. I don't feel uncomfortable about it. You can travel with it if they have like a refrigerator or something like that. Whoa. Anyway, when you get there, this insert comes out, and you could put that in the refrigerator or freezer and cool it if you wanted to refresh tired eyes. And my goodness, which makes it a little bit cooler and more unique than I had initially realized. I just love a good eye mask, and so this one here is double duty because it can cover and make it dark, and it also can help to like reduce puffiness and tired eyes and stuff like that. So that's always a good thing, especially when you're traveling. The other thing, what was the other thing? Oh, I don't think that I was really clear that this is reversible. This is like the more neutral way to use it, but you can also flip it this way instead, and then it's more colorful on each side. So that's really cool. I can't wait to use this actually. I kind of was like, oh man, I like the pink and the mint green, and I do. But this, because I do have some of these colors that I can use this with, and some shoes that match it really well, as well. Anyway, I'm giddy. I'm excited. I love my box, and I keep calling it Fit Fab Fun. I think for some reason in my head it's all about being fit, but it's Fab Fit Fun, and I wanted to make that distinction that I have been making a mistake the whole time. It is Fab Fit Fun. I don't know why I have it backwards. It's just fun to say that to me. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Thanks.